Hello everyone! Welcome to me again, to Coach and Maru. Welcome to us. Sino? Come on. Let's go down na. Pababa na po kami from session. Hi! Madilim dito sa daan natin. Pero, ito naman talaga yung ilaw. Hindi ko switch. There.
I see this in my school. We have this light thing.
Yan ang labas
I always
natin.
wanted it.
Yan ang labas natin, baby. O, look at that.
Wow.
Yeah.
I go past here when I go to my kinder before.
We have to open the light para bababa tayo. Hindi tayo
You know, I
malaglag.
pass this place when I go to kinder. We also have a red thing attached to our wall inside the bed.
Ayan. Habang nagkukwentuhan tayo,
What?
nanonood yung mga viewers natin. Bati ka ulit. Ayan. Oh, and then, naku, madilim na tayo. Let's open the light again.
Why is your hand sweaty?
Have a nice day po!